Come on, Flash. You can do this. It's just a banana. I mean, we like bananas. Well, not really. We like banana pudding. But, you know, we can make it like banana pudding if we chew it up all yummy in our mouth. So, yeah, might as well give it a try, huh? Bon appetit, Flash. Oh, hey, Matt. Flash, why are you eating a banana? You haven't eaten a banana in... You ate all the Christmas cookies, didn't you? Well, would you like some? There's still some left. No, I don't want any. Flash, stop. What? You said you didn't want any? Those Christmas cookies weren't for you. They were for Santa. You know what? Yep. Knew it. You drank all the milk. What did I tell you about leaving the empty cartons in the fridge? Jeez, you don't have to throw it. I mean, you try eating all these cookies with nothing to wash it down with. It's tough. Flash, I'm tired. I'm cold. I have to pay to drive everywhere. Okay? You, on the other hand, have lived here rent-free for the past year. And you can just run everywhere for free. So you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna run to the bakery now and pick me up some more Christmas cookies for Santa. Got it? All right, geez, fine. No need to yell. All right, good. Jeez, this place is such a mess. What has he done? My gosh. Has he been role-playing as Spider-Man? This guy's weird. Why won't this door open?
Dude, it's Christmas Eve. It's closed for the holidays.
Wait, today's Christmas Eve?
Yeah.
Well, you know what that means, that...
That means the bakery is closed.
No, that means that tomorrow is Christmas, and I have less than 24 hours to do all of my Christmas shopping.
That is not my problem.
You're mean.
And you aren't lying about accepting that invitation this year?
No, I said I was willing to go this year, so I will go.
You know how your stock drops whenever you stand up an invitation from him.
Just answer me this. Why is Bruce Wayne never expected to show up at my Christmas parties?
Because, Oliver, Bruce Wayne is richer than you. And also, you never send him invitations.
That's a bit besides the point.
It's Gotham City. I'm sure there will be some crime you can slip out and prevent if you find wearing a tie and acting civilized too stress-inducing.
Looks like I have a client to speak to. I promise I'll behave myself at Bruce Wayne's party. Oh, it's you, Flash.
Hey, Air. I wanted to ask you, you've done some foreign travel before, right?
Now that you mention it, I was stranded on an island for 5 years.
Was it a magic island that could move, like in Lost?
Where are you going with this, Flash?
Well, it's kind of a long story. You see, I was crashed out on my couch, and
Skip to the end.
today's Christmas Eve, and I haven't done any of my Christmas shopping yet. Can you explain the international date line to me?
How are those two thoughts connected? It's a line of latitude that separates the calendar date.
If I run around the world, I'd get back here yesterday.
No, that would be time travel.
If I run past the line, would it be yesterday in another country?
Actually, America's behind the date line. For example, Europe is ahead of us. It's already Christmas there.
Oh, darn. My plan won't work. Now what do I do?
Flash, don't worry about it. You're terrible at picking out gifts. Getting nothing from you is better than something.
You didn't like what I got you last year?
You got me the complete box set of Lost. I was literally stranded on an island for 5 years.
So how do you pick a Christmas gift then?
Do you hear that? Do you hear that? That's a crime I need to prevent. If I were you, I'd get running. You have even less time than when you came here.
Am I really that bad at gift giving?
How does this work without violating the laws of thermodynamics?
Hey, you still trying to figure out a way to counter the 0-point entropy tensor induced by Captain Cold Gun's cold ray for Flash?
Yeah, it's quite a pickle, and you know how I feel about pickles.
Oh, you do hate pickles.
Yeah, how about you take a crack at it?
I'm no pickle eater either. I'm an experimentalist. I don't get paid to think that much.
But your department still gives you out free cookies. Look, just follow this line of math starting from right here.
Yo, Flash!
Hey, scientists, what's up? Listen, I've got something a lot more important to talk to you guys about than Captain Cold's cold gun cold ray.
Something more serious than the chilling effects of the cold ray from the cold-blooded criminal Captain Cold Cold Gun?
Yes, sir.
This is some cold stuff.
That's the dilemma, Flash.
Okay, so am I bad at getting Christmas gifts?
We should tell him. Flash,
Tell me what?
you need to sit down.
Why? It's not 2 o'clock yet.
Flash, you were kind of really bad at picking out Christmas gifts.
Mm-hmm.
What? You're telling me you didn't like the Christmas gift I got you last year?
How do I put this? You got me a book on astrology.
Yeah. You guys like physics and stuff. Why wouldn't you like astrology?
Yeah, not a good gift.
Why not?
Flash, getting me or any scientist that book is like getting an astronaut a book on how the moon landing was faked.
Wait, so I'm confused. I thought astrology and astrophysics were pretty much the same thing. You still gonna eat that?
Flash.
Flash,
Yep.
I think you should go before you start a riot.
What?
That would be best.
Oh, I'm not welcome anymore? Sorry, guys.
I'd never believe it if I didn't hear it myself.
I hope we didn't hurt his feelings too much.
Someone had to tell.
Ow.
You doing alright, Cecilia?
That paper not murdering you, right?
Yeah, I'm alright. Just a gnarly paper cut.
That's good. You have swallowed there for a second. You don't want to forget your notes.
Thanks. Well, best of luck on countering the colding induced by the cold ray's cold effect from Captain Cold's cold gun. You know where they'll say it'll be a cold day and when a physicist can't solve a problem.
I'll see you, Dylan. That is a tough one.
Ow! Why were you throwing your theory?
Flash! Hi to you too, Batman.
What do you want to ask me?
How do you pick out a Christmas gift?
Alfred!
Okay. How do you know it's a good gift for someone?
You asked Alfred, obviously.
So, what do you think I should do?
You can never go wrong with a nice pair of socks. I recommend Darn Tough socks for your superhero usage.
Don't do socks. Everyone gets socks for Christmas. That's what moms get you. You have to get something fun they wouldn't get themselves.
Such as?
I don't know, like a bowling ball or a kazoo.
So, bowling balls make good Christmas presents? Where do you even buy bowling balls at?
Hello. This is Walmart, right?
Oh, yeah, it is.
Okay, just checking. I'd like to purchase one of your fine bowling balls, please. A friend of mine told me you guys have the best bowling balls in the area.
I'm not sure who your friend is, but unfortunately we don't sell those here.
I know I shouldn't have trusted him.
But what I can offer you is a nice fine pair of running shoes.
Oh, wow, where did those come from? Wow, those are nice and impressively quick, but I'm good. I don't know why you think I want running shoes.
Aren't you the Flash?
Yep.
So it doesn't mean you like to run, that kind of thing?
No, I don't enjoy that.
Because I know. Gosh.
Yeah, you're not very helpful. See you later.
Happy holidays.
Sure was nice of Aquaman to let me stay at his place for a little bit while I get my thoughts together here. Hey, Fish, let me ask you something. Can Aquaman actually talk to you? I mean, I take his word for it usually, but like, what's even the advantage of it? You're a fish. Like, you see my hand and you follow it. Like, what kind of thoughts can you provide him? Well, you're not much of a conversationalist, so let's see what they got on TV.
It's just an armed suspect is reportedly being pursued by police through the town's park district. This dastardly crook has stolen the pure gold of diamond adornment Christmas ornaments that were hanging on the town hall Christmas tree.
I wonder if that criminal's got any advice for me as to what a good Christmas gift would be. Only one way to find out, I guess. Why is it so difficult to just give me good Christmas gift ideas? I mean, resisting arrest is one thing, but come on, man. You've already been defeated. Just tell me what a good Christmas gift would be. Well, maybe if I go for a walk, it'll give me an idea. Better than talking to this fish.
Hunter Reeves, Matt Diaz, and Rick Edmonds on how they cracked cold fusion as a mechanism for the cold-inducing cold rays from the cold-hearted and chilling Captain Cold's cold ray cold gun.
It all came down to tracking down the right sign.
Well, I think the process is that way. Follow me.
Whoa, girls. Are you guys by yourselves?
Yes.
Well, are you okay?
No.
What's wrong?
Tomorrow is Christmas and we haven't gotten a letter to Santa yet.
Aw. What are your girls' names?
My name's Rose. Ruby.
Rose and Ruby? Okay, well, how about this, girls? How about I deliver your letter to Santa personally?
Okay.
But first, we gotta make sure you guys get home. Okay, so how about you guys take me home? Let's go.
This is our home, Mr. Flash.
Oh, wow, look at it. It's so cool.
Look at the penguin.
Yeah, look at that penguin. It's super
I
cool.
love penguins.
I love penguins, too.
Mom says we can't take strangers inside, but you can see our playhouse.
Oh, okay, yeah, let's go. You think so?
These are boys.
Let's give it a try. Are your mommy and daddy home?
No, they were at work.
Oh, well, where does your mommy work?
Dom's diner.
Dom's Diner. And where does your daddy work?
He drives a truck.
He drives a truck. Sounds like your parents are pretty busy, huh? Yeah.
My dad always sends these really cool postcards.
Does he really? Wow. Can I see those postcards? Wow. Look at these. You got so many of them. He sends you these often? Wow. There's got to be a bunch in here. Yes?
Can you please write my sister and mine's letter to Santa?
Oh, yes, of course. No problem.
Here, Mr. Flash.
Oh, what's this?
You needed to keep your room when you went the letter to Santa.
Oh, thank you so much, but I don't need it. My mask will keep me warm.
Please.
Okay, fine. I'll wear it. How do I look in it?
Good.
Good. All right. I feel myself getting warmer already.
Mr. Flash, do you think Santa has pet penguins?
Well, considering Santa lives in the North Pole, I bet he does. Okay, girls. I'm gonna run your letter to the North Pole, all right? But I want you guys to promise me something, okay? I don't want you guys going out by yourselves anymore. All right? It's not safe.
We only went out to put the letter to the post office.
I understand that, but it's still not safe to go out without your parents, okay? And I just want you guys to be safe, all right? So how about you guys run back to your house?
Hey, Arrow, do you have any job openings at Queen Industries?
I'm not hiring you, Flash.
No. Let me explain. I met this girl, right? She's pretty young. Her parents, not really there. They're working a lot. They need money. So, Queen Industries, are they hiring?
Daddy! Yo-ho! We can celebrate
Well, hello.
Took a bit, but I found a couple of job openings at Queen Industries.
That's fantastic. Love to hear it.
You put together quite a Christmas miracle, Flash.
Yes, I have. I did it all by myself. But you know, the most important thing that I learned through all of this is the best gift you can give somebody is being there for them in their life.
I'll let them have a couple more minutes before the dinner gets interrupted by Oliver Queen knocking on their door to offer some better employment.
That's a great idea. Merry Christmas, Arrow.
Merry Christmas, Flash.
And before you go in, could you give him back this scarf, please? Thank you. Now, I gotta go cook a Christmas meal. something smells good. Flash is in the kitchen with Donna. Flash is in the kitchen, I know.
Flash?
Flash. You know how to cook? Good morning, roomie. And you know how to clean too? How? Matt, I know sometimes we have our arguments, and you probably think I'm not the best roommate, and you probably think that Ancient Aliens is all fake. But I had an experience yesterday that made me realize that the best gift that I could give you is the gift of me. The gift of you? Yep, of me being the best friend and roommate a Flash can be. And so I used my super speed yesterday to run around and clean everything and to cook this huge meal. And I even went out to a Chinese bakery last night, and I got a bunch of Christmas cookies for everyone. And I know it's a little weird, but you'd be surprised how many places are closed on Christmas Eve and Christmas. And just in case that wasn't enough, I even got you a pair of socks and a bowling ball. A bowling ball? I don't know what to say, Flash. I'm impressed, though. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.